channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shujatana and I make content related to beauty, makeup and lifestyle. And if you are interested, please take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the notification bell just next to it so that you don't miss any update. And now let's move on to the video. So in today's video, I am going to share my skincare empties with you all. Now I am one such person who doesn't get empties very soon. Like I enjoy my products really slow, and I do use very few products also, so I do not have a lot of empties. But yeah, I have emptied some products for the past few months and I have been collecting all of them so that I can show it to you all. So if you're interested to know those products, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to share the products randomly because there is no particular order. So the first product that I'm going to share is this Biotique Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner. Now you guys have seen me talking about this toner so much in all my videos, and you, the people who follow me regularly would know that this is one of my most favorite toner. So yeah, I have emptied this one completely. You can see it's empty, and I'm using one currently, and I also have a backup of this one because I'm in love with this toner. And I'll mention the price of all the products in the screen because otherwise my videos always gets really long. So if you do have an oily or oily combination skin, you can definitely use this one. This is basically for all skin type, but oily skin person and combination skin person, this would suit more on. And if you have a dry skin, you can go for the honey variant of this toner as well. So yeah, this is the first product that I am in love with and I have emptied, and I am definitely gonna repurchase. So the next product that I have is from Good Vibes, and this is the Good Vibes Neem and Tulsi Glow Toner. I love using the glow toners from Good Vibes. I have used the Rose Glow Toner as well, and that is one of my most favorite, and I got this one as well because I wanted to try it. But this does have a very strong fragrance. Like Good Vibes products are always highly scented and they have strong fragrances. Even the Rose Glow Toner has a strong fragrance, but that was a rose fragrance which I kind of liked, and that's why I repurchased that also. But this one does have a very strong neem and tulsi fragrance, like that, like a bitter kind of fragrance. I did not like that fragrance at all. Like it was feeling like neem, but this works nicely, but the fragrance is an off for me, so I gave it to my mom so that she can also use it. So we just completely we just finished it anyway because I did not want to waste the product. So yeah, this is finished, but I'm not going to repurchase this because of the fragrance. But yeah, this is the next product that I have finished. The next one is also from Good Vibes, and this is the Good Vibes Lavender Soothing Face Mist. Like if you have never applied Good Vibes face mist, then you must go for them. The fragrances are to die for. This one was a lavender one, and I also have a rose one which I am currently using. And whenever your face will feel tired, like even if your mood is off, you can definitely spritz it on your face, and I'm sure you're going to feel very energized, refreshed and rejuvenated. So you can definitely go for this one. I loved this one, and these are available for the small bottles only. Like the bigger versions of this one is not available. So I really love this one, and I'm definitely going to repurchase. A few days back when I was looking for this mist, I guess the lavender one was not available. I don't know whether it's available now or whatever. I need to check that out, but if it's available, I'm definitely going to repurchase this one. I have emptied another product from Good Vibes, and that is the Aloe Vera Skin Refining Foaming Face Wash. Now this was a foaming face wash. The liquid was here and the foam used to come out from there. This is a very nice face wash, and has a decent fragrance and also does not make my skin feel dry. And yeah, I am quite neutral about this product. Like it's not one of my very favorite, but also it's not a product that I hate or something like that. So yeah, I might repurchase this, I might not repurchase this. You can definitely give this one a try if you want to try a decent foaming face wash. Like foaming face washes are really exciting to use, at least for me, because the foam comes out naturally, and I love products with foams and products that lathers up really well. So yeah, you can definitely give this one a try if you want to try a foaming face wash. These are available in different variants. I also have a coffee one, so if you can also go for that. So yeah, and this one was an aloe face wash, so if you have a dry skin or anything, you can give this one a try. But if you have excessively dry skin, this might make your skin a little bit more on the drier side, so you will need a good moisturizer after using this face wash. So yeah, this is the next product that I have finished. Next, I have two products from Pond's, and both of them are moisturizers. One is the Pond's Light Moisturizer, the non-oily moisturizer, and the other one is the Super Light Gel, and this one is definitely my favorite. I have finished this one. I'm using one currently, and I keep on repurchasing this all the time. And this one also is a very nice, decent moisturizer if you want a non-oily feel to your skin, but also need a very nice moisture on your face, like a really nice hydrated moisturizer if you're looking for, which is also non-oily. You can definitely go for this one. My mom's favorite is this moisturizer. She keeps on using it all the time, even during summers. Like, she has a dry skin, and therefore she keeps on using this all around summers as well. But I personally only prefer using this one during winters because I do have an oily skin, and during the summers this one is like my holy grail. I keep on using this all the time. Like, you can see I have finished it completely, and that's just this one. So yeah, I have finished it, and this one's also finished completely. So yeah, these are the next two products from Pond's, which I absolutely love. This one is a little pricey than this one, so you can see whatever you want. These are also available in different sizes, so you can definitely check them out and get one for yourself according to your needs. And I am definitely going to repurchase this one during the winters, and this one obviously whenever I'll finish my current one. I have another product from Pond's, and this one is the Pond's Triple Vitamin Silky Smooth Moisturizing Lotion with vitamins B3, E and C. I just completely read out whatever was written on it. So yeah, this is a very nice body lotion. Like, if you like very thick, smooth body lotion that would hydrate your skin really well and stay for a decent amount of time, you can definitely go for this one. This is like one product that I have been using since I was born, maybe. I have always seen this on at my home. So yeah, this is one product that we always keep on repurchasing in our house because we all love using it. Like, my whole family use this one, and what we do is we mix a little bit of Dabur Gulabari rose water. This one also I have finished completely. So yeah, we mix both of this, and the fragrance that just forms after mixing these two is heavenly. You can also use it separately, but by mixing this one, we really like using it that way. Also, you can use the Gulabari Rose Glow toner, rose water, sorry, the Dabur Gulabari rose water as a toner as well. Like, after washing your face, you can definitely use this as a toner on a daily basis. This is like one of the most affordable rose water. Obviously, this is not pure rose water because that would be very, very pricey, but this is very inexpensive. Like, this is for 75 rupees for 250 ml. So if you're looking for a decent sort of a rose water, like a toner, like this would work as a very nice fragrant mist sort of. So you can definitely go for this one, and also this one if you like a decent body lotion. Like, this one is a holy grail, I guess. A lot of you must have used this one because it's a very popular and old product. So yeah, these are the next two products that I have finished, and I am definitely going to repurchase this during the winters. Another product from Pond's is this Pond's Moisturizing Cold Cream, and this is a very old product. I guess all of you must have used this at some point of time. I love using this one still now. I use it on my lips and also sometimes on my feet and hand during winters. So yeah, I have finished this one as well. You guys can see it's completely empty. So yeah, I am definitely going to repurchase this. I am already using another one. So yeah, I am definitely going to repurchase this. You can definitely go for this one. But if you're applying it on your face, this is a very like it is a very thick kind of moisturizer. Also, it is oily. So if you but this is the kind of moisturizer that would make your skin feel oily, or you know, you can also feel a little like this one feels heavy on the skin. So if you like that kind of a feel, you can definitely go for this. I do not use it on my face, of course, because I have a oily skin. I have an oily skin, so I cannot use it on my face. But my mom uses it on her face because she has a dry skin and she liked that heavy feel on her face. So like during winters, of course, because this one stays for a really long time. Like, if you're applying it during the morning, this is gonna stay on your face for sure. So yeah, you can definitely go for this one, and I am definitely going to repurchase this after I finish my current one. I am mostly showing winter products because the products that I got during the winter last year are finished just now. Like I could finish it up during this time. Like I take a lot of time to finish off products, but I make sure that I am not wasting any product. I finish everything. Me and my family, all of us finishes products, and I try to make sure that I'm not wasting anything. So another one is also from the winter care range only. Like I should have made this video during winters, but yeah, note this down because winters are on its way. So yeah, this one is the Vaseline Intensive Care Deep Restore with Pure Oat Extract. This is the body lotion. This is the 400 ml bottle. Like I have tried all the variants, most of the variants in fact, like this one, the aloe one, the cocoa one. I have tried all of them, and all of them are just amazing. Like if I am ever given a chance to choose just one body lotion for my entire life, I'll choose the Vaseline one, like any variant. But I love them all. They have a beautiful fragrance. They are very, very hydrating, and these are also not very heavy. Like if you are applying it on your body, this is going to get absorbed really well, but also give you the proper amount of hydration. So you can definitely go for this one. And they also have a very decent shelf life. Like they have a decent shelf life of 3 years. So whenever I am buying this one, I make sure that I am buying a product that at least have 2 years of shelf life, because I know that I would take time to finish this off. So I need that kind of shelf life, like the time period. So yeah, whenever you are buying it online, you definitely need to check the expiry for sure, and then go for it, because you need a very little amount of it. Even if you're applying it generously on your hands, on feet, this is going to last really long. And I prefer buying the 400 ml bottle all the time, because that is more economical, I feel. So yeah, this is the next product, and I'm definitely going to repurchase this one. I'm already using the aloe one and the cocoa one, and I'm going to finish the cocoa one very soon. So maybe in my next empties video, which is going to come I guess next year, because I don't know, I don't know when I'll be able to finish my products up, but I'm trying. So yeah, in my next video you are going to see different version, but yeah, Vaseline is always going to be there. Next I have two scrubs, and this one is from Himalaya. This is the Himalaya Gentle Exfoliating Walnut Scrub with natural antioxidants. This is the 100-gram packaging. This is available in smaller version, I guess. Yeah, they are definitely available in smaller version. You can also go for them, but this one does have a very, like the particles are quite big, so you need to be very careful while using it on your face. Like this can be a little harsh on the skin. So yeah, I'm not going to repurchase this one, but for a very long amount of time in my life I have actually used this one. But nowadays I feel the particles are a little on the bigger side, so I don't prefer using it much. But yeah, I had this, so I finished this, so I'll think about repurchasing these actually. So yeah, this is one scrub that I have finished, and the next one is this Biotic Bio Papaya Revitalizing Tan Removal Scrub. And you can see this is in such a bad condition because I have washed this one before making this video. Like the containers were so like used and dirty, like not proper dirty, like होता है ना, after using a product for a really long time, they get a little, like they look old. Like they wouldn't look that chakachak that usually they look like whenever you're buying it. So I washed it and this came down to this condition. So yeah, this is the next one, but this is a very nice scrub. The texture is very creamy. Like whenever you're taking it out on your hands, this would feel very creamy, and whenever you're applying it also, the particles are not very harsh on the skin, but you need to be a little careful while using any physical scrub, that it is but you just do not rub it very vigorously on your face. Do it with a very gentle hand. And yeah, this is a very nice scrub. I cannot talk about the tan removal part because I haven't seen it working on tan a lot, but yeah, this definitely removes the dead cells. And yeah, I really like using this one. I'm also using a bigger version. This is a smaller one. This is the 50-gram one. I have the 100-gram one already, and I'm using that as well. So yeah, I'm definitely going to repurchase this again. We have come down to the last product, and that one is this Wadi lip balm. Now you guys have seen me talking about this in my previous video, I guess, where I have shared my favorite products. and I have shown it in that video as well. If you haven't watched it, I'll link it here. You need to go and watch that video as well. So yeah, I have finished this one. I love these lip balms. I have got another variants as well. This one is the strawberry one. I have got another blueberry and orange and all the other variants as well. So I love using this, and already I have repurchased this, and I will keep on repurchasing this one as well. This is a very nice lip balm. The only thing I feel is that I just hope they would come in those twist up packaging, or any tube packaging. But yeah, this is the only inconvenience that I face, is that I need to put my hands and apply it. But it's a little inconvenient at times whenever I'm using something, or whenever I'm doing something. Otherwise, this is a very nice lip balm. But I personally do not like lip balms with this kind of packaging, but this one is super good, and this works so beautifully and makes my lips so soft that I can't help it, and I am using it continuously, and I have also bought backups. So yeah, this is the next product and the last product. So that was it about today's video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. I have tried to share why these products are my favorite and not so favorite as well, and whether I am going to repurchase these products or not. So yeah, I hope you guys find this helpful, because I have tried to mention the points which I felt was necessary for you guys to understand, and you guys can definitely give the products a try. So yeah, that was it about today's video. If you like this video, do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. You can share this video with your friends and family. That would mean a lot to me. You can follow me on Instagram as well. I keep on posting a lot of content on Instagram. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, I would put the link of my Instagram handle in the description below. You can check it out from there and follow me on Instagram as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and lots of love. Bye.